Hi guys, welcome to the session. This is Prakash, Math Tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. A given median of the following observations, which is 1, 11, 12, 14, x minus 2, x plus 4, x plus 9, 32, 38 and 47 are arranged in an ascending order. So the median of this observations is 24, and we need to find the value of x and also the mean of this observations. So the median is nothing but the middle number of the series. So we need to find the middle number here. So which is, we have 9 terms here. So the fifth term is the middle term. So the median equals to x plus 4, and which is given as 24. Now subtract 4 on both sides and find the value of x. So x is equals to 20. So the value of x is 20. Now find the mean. Before that, just substitute x is equals to 20 to the given observations. So the following observations becomes 11, 12, 14 and x minus 2, 20 minus 2, and x plus 4, 20 plus 4, and x plus 9, which is 20 plus 9, then 32, 38 and 47. So if you simplify this, we'll get 11, 12, 14, 18. 20 minus 2 becomes 18. 20 plus 4 becomes 24. And 29, 32, 38 and 47. Now we need to find the mean of these observations. The median is given, so which is, you can see that the fifth term is 24, and the mean is sum of all the observations, sum of all the terms divided by the total number of terms or observations. So we have the total number of observations is 9, and we need to add all the 9 observations. So 11 plus 12 plus 14 plus 18 plus 24 plus 29 plus 32 plus 38 plus 47 divided by total observation, which is 9. So divided by 9. So if we add, we'll get 225. So 225 divided by 9. So mean is equals to 25. So mean is 25 and median is 24, and the value of x is 20. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.